So this is an 1100 horsepower twin turbo
Gentani car, yeah.
Shit. That's how close I am to losing my right now.
You're supposed to go sell cars. I bought 2 cars, that 812 and this.
Palmer, lift the shirt, tie like the Hooters girl.
Like that?
We're gonna have no money now from this video.
So Sai decided to spend a little bit of money while we were at SEMA. This man bought a twin turbo Widebody Huracan Liberty Walk kit. This thing is insane. We've got the Duke Dynamics Aventador over there, and we have a couple of other little surprises that we're gonna show you.
Not even our trailer.
So Ryan, being the crazy guy that he is, drove the Tech Art Porsche in the trailer all the way to, where was it?
Huntington Beach. We got it over to Gunther Works to put it in that Unstock Porsche van.
Oh, dude, I saw the all carbon one that you posted on your story. Oh, dude, that was so sick.
I was geeking out, dude.
And then he brought a little something back. Not the Porsche.
Or Lamborghini, finally.
Or, yeah. I don't know, could it be another Lamborghini? I don't think so. We have too many of those right now.
We went from a Ferrari shop to a Lamborghini shop. But look at that beautiful thing.
Oh, that color? Wow. Another 812, huh? So I'm a peasant, so speak rich to me. What's the N-Largo?
So N-Largo is obviously by Novitec. They is a limited edition. They made, I believe, 18 for coupe and 18 for a GTS.
Oh.
I mean, the coupes are been long gone, sold out, and the GTS are pretty much sold out as
too.
well.
Yeah.
So I personally love the color.
Yeah.
Okay, it's
nice
very
orange.
very unique. Yeah, it's burnt copper orange. But I think it's, you know, when you modify a Ferrari, you already minimizing your clientele.
Yeah, yeah.
To a very very
unique buyer for sure.
Small pie.
Yeah.
And then when you do a crazy color, that pie becomes a crumb.
Which we love, but Sai is somebody who sells it.
I was just telling Jeff, you know, I love those crumbs, the little tiny crumbs that nobody else thinks is beautiful, but you know, we still have to sell it.
Is it paint or wrap?
It's paint.
Oh,
paint.
wow.
Yeah, it's complete paint jobs.
Dude, that is...
Wait, this is paint?
Yeah, this is paint.
Yeah, it's paint.
Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Beautiful matte paint.
Factory was a Grigio, which is like a gray.
Oh, okay.
And they did a full car, and he's a high spec car. It's a $450,000 factory spec car.
Jeez.
So, I mean, the last one sold for $725,000. There's one more online for $680. It's a white one.
Dude, you've been spending money like crazy. I walked into the showroom today for the first time.
We have inventory to sell.
This
you know,
man has
we don't have inventory. We can't sell.
twin turbo Huracan.
Yeah,
that thing is
that's
sick.
gotta come apart too. You know, you see how the cars are made by other shops. You know, there's like one side your whole finger goes inside the gap.
Oh,
and
a little
the other
trash
side is stuck. So
Oh,
we're gonna have
man.
to completely take it apart, repaint it, do it. We're gonna actually mold the Liberty Walk because they want you to double-sided quarter panel. Yeah, it looks great, but on the twin turbo car, somebody actually get it out to 150. You know,
that
you don't
thing
want your quarter panels
fly
go
off.
fly off.
Jeez, that would be crazy.
So yeah, so we're gonna mold everything, and we're gonna have Jeff right here paint it.
Yeah.
So.
You're good. Look at that clearance. That's how close I am to losing my right now. Dang, this thing is sick.
This thing,
Yeah,
it's
this thing-
fast.
Is it? We'll have to take a ride.
Yeah.
Look at that beautiful burnt orange. Give me a couple revs when you're off. showroom. Sai decided to spend, look at this. What did you buy at SEMA?
You're supposed to go sell cars at SEMA. I bought 2 cars, that A12 and this at SEMA. Yeah.
This thing looks absolutely insane. So this is an 1100 horsepower twin turbo
Gentani car, yeah. So actually a buddy of mine also, I saw him. It's so funny how I end up with this car. He's like, hey, you know, I'm gonna sell my car if you know somebody wants it. And I don't ever buy builds that other people done because you never know what you get.
Right.
Oh, it's twin turbo, blah, blah, blah. So he's like, I'm like, well, I'll ask around, what do you need for it? He's like, I need X amount of dollars. So I threw a number out thinking that, okay, you know what? He shook my hand.
Oh, right.
He's like, okay, it's yours. I'm like, oh,
what's wrong with it?
no, there's not. I trust the guy,
okay.
you know, and so I had to wire him the money next morning.
A lot of money. Let's undisclose.
Morning.
Yeah.
So, and I talked to Alex over at Gentani. He told me the car's solid, and I drove the car. The car's pretty damn good. It's just, you know, just little things that I was talking about. The gaps, a little bit off.
So we took in that orange Novitec, the 812, and this. We're changing both the colors.
Yeah, correct.
What are you gonna do on this one?
It's black underneath.
Oh,
Guess
so
what it's gonna be?
That's your favorite color. It's gonna be black. And then this guy talks about satin
It's not
black on
my
the
fucking.
car.
Guess what color I'm gonna paint the freaking.
Everything black. All
No,
black everything.
not the McLaren. It was gonna go black, the 1016 wide body, but I think we're gonna do that yellow. So I've done this. Our McLaren tech.
Yes,
Our
Ricky.
specialist. So obviously 1016.
This is the first time introducing this car. Taking delivery of a couple new cars. Looks like we have a new 720S. And then over here, the next Ferrari. I believe it is a 458.
This was the base car. Was actually another really good friend and client of mine. He built this car with, I want to say DME tuning out of Texas.
Yeah.
It's a 1300 horsepower.
Holy
Damn! Yeah, I mean, it's built. The engine is built. The bigger turbos, injectors, blah, blah, blah. So, and I originally ordered this kit for him for this car. He called me and says, hey, I'm selling the car. Do you want the kit? I said, I mean, sure.
Yeah, throw it in.
But I need the car. So sell me the car and I'll buy the kit and I'll build it. So I ended up making the deal with him, bought the car, bought the kit, and we're gonna do a wingless. We're not gonna have the high wing.
Yeah.
So kind of do a little different.
1300 horsepower DME wide body.
Don't quote me on the DME. I think DME did it.
Okay.
But I don't wanna. You know, I'm not 100% sure.
Yeah.
So this one is a specialty conversion. We've done a few of these and done really well with them. I had the kit in stock for a long time, so I ended up buying the 458 coupe. Is a 14, really nice car.
Really clean.
Yeah, super clean.
I love it's like a cream color.
Yeah, it's like all the Ferraris are like that. So either you can get this, which is their base white color, or you can get the Pro 3-stage paint, which we painted that Aventador in there. So so this will be you'll say same color. This wing is off of a Liberty Walk ducktail, but it was higher, so we make it shorter.
I love the ducktail.
Yeah, it was this tall.
Oh.
It looks kind of funky without the wide body. So we, as you see, we cut it, we shorten it, and we're gonna body work it, and it'll look really nice. We've done it before. It'll get the full exhaust. AL13 wheels. This car will be a really nice car. So if you want to show it now, next time you're gonna see it, it'll be
crazy.
Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need you. Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through.
Palmer and Sal wiping down the Day of the Dead McLaren. Yeah, this was a Gold Rush car, and definitely stands out among the crowd.
This actually went to the Phoenix Suns game on Day of the Dead.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
They actually showed it off?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, they contacted us and we sent it over there.
Yeah.
That was when we were at SEMA.
Get in there real nice and deep black.
Yeah.
Dude, you guys should be in bikinis. What's going on here?
I probably wants that though. He wants the booty shorts on.
Paulner, lift the shirt, tie like the Hooters girl.
Oh, like
We're gonna get monetized. We're not getting
like that? Just
Damn,
don't show the
Paulner
nipples.
low-key ripped or what?
Just don't show the nipples, bro.
We're not gonna get,
There you go.
We're gonna have no money now from this video.
Think about splitting a couple of wigs. Shotty my DNA all real, nigga. Sweatsuit all heel figure. And I ain't even got to deal with you. If I ain't never split a bill with you, I got Hennessy.
New project in, Mercedes AMG GT. I own a C63S, so I'm a huge fan of the Mercedes platform. This car looks so good. The front end is just so long when you look at this car. Twin turbo V8. I mean, you just can't beat the quality. This interior just looks so elegant. Carbon fiber on the dash, the trim pieces. Only a 2-seater. This one is getting carbon pieces, so we're not sure exactly what kit's gonna go on this. I think it's gonna be a Darwin kit. If you've seen any of our previous Mercedes builds, they have been over the top, so I assume this one is gonna be nothing short of that. This thing looks so good. Man, so wide. I love the aesthetic of the Liberty Walk kit. I mean, this rear spoiler, that's just iconic for their look. This thing is insane. These Rohana wheels. Look at that deep dish. Woo! Twin turbo. Can't see it from here. I'm gonna get somebody to pop the hood on this thing because that is just too clean. We're gonna have to take this one out and give it a little bit of sauce. Take the twin turbo Huracan out. We have very minimal gas.
Tyler, the level of intimidation I currently have right now is quite intimidating. Like, this thing is a whole nother beast I've ever driven.
Give it some beans.
Half throttle. Holy shit!
It sounds so crazy. I love the way these sound.
Oh my god!
We weren't even pulling that hard, and it just
That was like
sounds
25%
so good.
throttle? Oh my god. That's crazy. We lost traction. And that was like 30%, or no, 50. That was 50% throttle.
Feels so good. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up the episode for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.